These steel cabinets are perfect for the do-it-yourselfer looking for Gladiator brand durability at an affordable price. Our adjustable shelving and commercial strength hanging rods provide maximum customization to meet your specific needs. Plus, all modular and cabinet storage products come in our signature tread plate design with leveler legs and optional steel casters, bringing versatility and functionality to any garage space. With flexible cabinet configurations and wall mounting options, our ready-to-assemble cabinets are repositionable so they grow with you to fit your life and style. The possibilities are endless. Built to last and backed by a 10-year limited warranty, our ready-to-assemble cabinets will transform any size garage space in a matter of minutes. Now that's durability at an affordable price.
My name is Ed, and this is my wife, Kate.
Hi.
We've lived in this house now for about 10 years and just recently bought this new garage system. I can't believe we waited that long to get it because it has been so life-changing.
Our garage was so cluttered and hard to clean that we never used the space. We didn't even know where our stuff was. We never used the things we had because we couldn't find them.
That's true. The other day I had to go buy a new wrench. Even though I knew I had one somewhere, I just couldn't find it.
Well, let us show you how easy it was to get organized with our new garage storage set.
First of all, it was so great that the whole set fit into our SUV.
Because the units come folded up, it's very easy to bring them home from the store.
And they were very easy to assemble as well. I just had to unfold them, attach the tops and bottoms, and put them where I wanted them. That's genius.
All hardware is included, so we didn't have to worry about having bolts and screws at home.
It was truly the most frustration-free assembly experience I have ever had. Unlike other garage storage systems I looked at, these are 24 inches deep, not the standard 18 inches. That provides me more cubic foot of storage for all of my stuff.
Each unit was sold separately so we could get exactly what we needed for our garage. This is the 4-drawer cabinet.
I have here, the heart of this set, my tools. They look great in these drawers. It's so easy for me to keep them organized, and I know exactly where everything is. The full extension ball-bearing drawer slides hold up to 100 pounds. That's a lot of weight. And the raise and release latching system keeps the drawers tightly closed.
We also have a 2-door base cabinet. The magnetic latches keep it closed, or you can lock it whenever you want to.
We were able to buy worktops for both base cabinets. We chose the stainless steel ones, but there's also galvanized steel available.
They all have adjustable feet to keep the unit steady.
We also got a couple of pegboards where I can hang tools that I use a lot.
These holes allow cords to access the outlet, so we have power up here.
This is the 1-door top cabinet. It has gas struts, which make it effortless to open and close.
And that's a great addition because it makes my life easy. This is where I keep my gardening stuff.
This one is the tall cabinet. It's perfect for all of our oversized items.
We keep our rake, our shovel, our broom. All our long items go in here.
Now let's look at the stacking units. These are 2 cabinets that can stack one on top of the other.
This one allows us to have the height of the tall unit that gives us more shelf space.
One of the things I really appreciate about this Montezuma garage storage set is it only has soft corners. If you've ever walked into the corner of a workbench, you know what I'm talking about. Each one of these cabinets has an adjustable shelf, so you can choose where to put it based on what you want to store inside.
The durable powder coat paint keeps the color from fading. It'll look great for years, even if we want to keep the garage door open. Well, I feel like we've accomplished an awful lot this past week. Our garage looks so much better. Now we have all of our stuff organized, and it's safe and easy to access.
And best of all, in my opinion, was the frustration-free assembly. I love our new garage.
I love it too.
Whether you're at work, home, or on the farm, we are here to ensure that your life is organized.
Introducing the Torin 8-piece garage storage system. The cabinets are constructed from heavy-duty 22 and 24 gauge steel. The 22 gauge steel cases are fully welded for strength and durable use. The total garage system has over 70 cubic feet of storage. Both lockers have steel reinforced drawer panels. to allow long life use while opening and closing. Lockers have 3 shelves that adjust in 3-inch increments for multiple storage configurations. The locker's cabinets can hold over 1,000 pounds and drawers are rated at 150 each. Drawers are equipped with ball bearing slides for easy opening and closing. Magnetic closers for all cabinet drawers for secure closure when not locked. All components come with case-hardened locks for security. Allen screw hinges allow smooth opening and closing with easy assembly. Drawer handles are constructed of heavy steel. Each component of the storage system has adjustable legs for easy leveling. Cabinets also have cutout back slots for easy wall mounting. Each piece is coated in electrostatic power paint for durable long finish and resists fingerprints. The work surface is made from thick hardwood butcher block. Perfect for any garage to help organize and store items.
Fortune favors the bold, and at New Age Products, we see the potential that your garage has to offer. Confidently transform your space with our Bold Series line of garage storage solutions. Modular in design and customizable from floor to ceiling, our heavy-duty steel products are color-matched with a clean, modern look to give you the beautiful, upgraded garage you've always wanted. Bold Series 3.0 cabinets are engineered to provide the storage space you need with the premium features you want. Tool organization with full extension drawers. Lockable wall cabinets for safely storing items off the floor. And heavy-duty welded steel lockers for maximum storage space. Height adjustable legs keep your cabinets level on any garage floor, or install them directly to your wall studs for an off-the-floor storage system. Choose your cabinet color and your worktop with a durable bamboo or stainless steel work surface, custom sized to your configuration. Our premium accessory options are designed to install perfectly into our cabinet systems, giving you a garage that works for you. For a cabinet system that offers open, elevated storage while keeping your workshop free from clutter, our integrated display shelves let you showcase collectibles, keep quick grab tools at the ready, or safely hold your phone and devices, allowing you to focus and stay on task. Protect your walls while giving yourself a streamlined work area by adding our precision fit slat wall backsplash to your cabinet set with accessory kits that keep paper towels, hand tools, and hardware close at hand. Full panel slat wall is the best way to take advantage of your open wall space by keeping garage items off the floor and organized. New Age Products 16 square foot steel slat wall kits let you build up the exact amount of wall coverage you need and are built from heavy gauge powder coated steel for a high-end wall finish that's easy to clean and won't rust. Don't let your overhead storage space go to waste. Our Pro Series wall mounted steel shelves are ultra strong and engineered to work in any area of your garage. From easy access wall shelving to a heavy duty suspended storage rack, the versatile cable shelving adapts to your space and lets you safely get all of your bulky gear off the floor and stored away. Whether you're looking for a full garage reno or a starting point for getting organized that you can build on down the road, we've got the options to get you the customized garage you deserve. A New Age Products Bold Series garage.